Josa Nimes still not starting para sa kupunan ni Coach Atoy Go at nakapuntos because they have to win today and a couple more games sa Final Four para makabalik sa finals. Menina, back to CJ Isit who goes all the way. CJ Isit, unang puntos para kay Isit dito sa laban na to. Rebound, that is rebound number 4 for Allwell. Deontay Holtz becoming a rim protector.
Well, Deontay not known as a rim protector kagaya nga na sinabi mo, pero he's showing us defense.
Inyo pong napapanood sa lado, umarangkada, pinasa kay Giovanni Halalon who finishes with a left hand.
Si Isit naman, yung
And a steal.
back.
CJ Isit switching hands in mid-air. Wow! Highlight play. What a pass by Nimes to Branya. But Banga was there to bother Branya. And what a shot by JP Yeles from the corner. Before we begin the third quarter, Mikey, let's go back. Receives the pass. Nimes, cross-court pass. Menina for 3.
Damn! Tumira itong Mapo and here they come again. Wow, what a pass from Menina to Branya.
To Yeles. Yeles swings it to Aguirre. Aguirre umatake. Tumira, puntos para sa Mapua.
Tried to beat Arellano and he said, kailangan namin tumakbo.
And they break points. Nimes umatake. No look pass kay Branya. And Allwell Oraime flexing his muscles. Nigerian, 19 years old, who could be a rookie MVP ngayong season sa NCAA.
Of course, make sure to tune in.
Pinasa kay Mecca. Back to Tano. Tano to Banga. Banga knocks down the jumper. Balik ang bola sa Mapua. Nimes hops, turns, fires, puntos! Para kay Josa Nimes. The back dribble between his legs. Isit umatake. Isit playing the game of his life on this game. Nimes umatake. Nimes flips it up and in. Josa Nimes, the captain. 21 big points para sa Mapua. Allwell Oraime, 31 points, or rather 31 rebounds, excuse me,